Jesus came to introduce us to the Father. When they used to pray back in the days of the law, they prayed to God, Adonai, Yahweh, who was far, far, far. But when Jesus comes, he introduces relationship. He says, when you pray, don't pray to God as if he's the universe or Mother Nature. Don't pray to God as if he's an energy, like all these new school doctrines, new age, that are calling God an energy, the universe. Oh, have you heard them? They talk about energy. God is not an energy. God is not Mother Nature. God is not a natural force. In him we live, in him we move, in him we have our being, because we are his offspring.